I finally found you. The chance to finally draw one of my favorites has finally arrived. At last, we're finally going to draw a contestor. This is him. A few years ago, I found this bakugan at New York City, and since this one is the tallest, I considered everyone's favorite. I consider it to be one of my favorites too. This one reminds me a lot about the few other. This one reminds me of a few others that I have enjoyed so much, starting with Towarmon and Top the Bold from Dragon Ball Super. There we are. Alright, getting started. We start by drawing his upper half. There we are.
Son. It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery.
There's a lot about these guys I never really got to share about.
It's a mystery. Who will it be?
Like I've been
It's a mystery.
Challenges, slashes,
attempting to get more of these on the
It's a mystery
playlist.
box that's got hints for all, so we can play the game. It's great. Guess the name. Celebrate. Dance and shake. So don't be late for Ryan's mystery play game.
Who will it be? It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery. Mystery play day.
Use the arm.
Challenges, slashes, mystery box. Take the hints. Guess the name. Celebrate. Ryan's mystery play game.
Who will it be? It's a mystery. Who will it be?
There we are.
Mystery. Mystery play day. Again.
Contestants, get ready, for this guy is almost complete. There we go. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a contester. One of my favorites from the series. I know. I have the figure myself. Well, there are a few others that are as tall as this one. Let's see, what else have I got? I don't know how many are considered the tallest. Alright, here's the information about Contestor. Besides the fact that he's considered the tallest, there are some other Bakugan that are considered one of the tallest as well. Other Bakugan like Mega Nemesis and Raisinoid are also considered one of the tallest. Ever since the reboot showed up, they've managed to place in a new cast and consider some of them to be one of the tallest as well. Like Dragonoid, on the other hand, and Trox, those two are considered the tallest as well. I bet Auxiliatar is as well. Hopefully they'll include these three into the reboot as well. If you ask me, this show is never going to stop evolving. Well, the reboot is. They're taking characters from the past and bringing them here into the future. The franchise has evolved for a long time. Anyhow, that is how you draw a contestor from a Bakugan, Gundalian Invaders. I consider this one to be one of the best, and I will share more Bakugan like this real soon. Just post a comment on which one of them you want me to draw next. I'll be there soon. Good night!